right, medics round 2.
It also hurts if I leave it up for a while.
Yeah, I know.
Dyes are great for no fogging.
Yep.
But if you want to get in very nice, comfortable, so you can't sit in, mesh and goggles is the way to go.
Yep.
All right, gentlemen. So I did see a couple of early eliminations. Try to avoid that. Yeah, it's just people on your team and their team, they both trying to smash in the middle, and guess what? You sat 10 minutes out of the game.
Yep.
All right, so with that being said, if you do find yourself eliminated this round, it will be the end of the match after this round.
So
you
just
can
walk
step
off
the field if you want to.
Cool.
Just make sure barrel stocks around magazines are out.
Of course.
If you got someone, I'll go for
I like
I'm gonna tap it off.
I really like the fanny pack idea. It works really well.
That's why I got a dump pouch, bro.
I got a dump pouch.
Here we go. Go.
Go.
Get in, go. Are you okay?
Yeah, it went faster than I thought.
Good. You're gonna go to. Drake, you two. Huh?
You got anything?
Yeah, go. Clear myself.
Tony, you're right behind that wooden wall right there.
Good copy.
Give me my knife.
Go.
Sorry.
He moved back. He moved back into that room. I'm coming to you. You're good that way. Go. I'm gonna just check this real quick. Okay. Yo! James, you're clear into the next room as far as I can tell. All right, hold on. I'm coming. Scream out for medic if you need it.
Tony?
Yo.
Okay. He's in there.
Who's in there? Tango or friendly?
Oh.
7, 8, 9, 10.
I finished the dude in there.
All right, he's down. He's down. He's a dead man. Come on, guys.
There was a guy over there.
Over here?
No, I think wait, sorry.
All right, cool. Let's go.
There's a team right there, so.
All right, let's go.
Someone's in the next room.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it. Let's go. Okay, let's squeak around. He knows I'm here. He knows we're here. He knows we're here. Go radio silent.
There's my love handles.
Sorry. Cut! God damn it. Ah. No! That was so fucking close!
Please, man, don't do this to us.
Medic! 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 Dead. He's dead. Shut up, tap him!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Shoot that motherfucker down!
Wait, there's a guy there?
Yeah, there's a fucking guy there.
Oh, you're dead, you can't. Well said! This is pretty. Hello. This pillar? That's enemy.
Take this.
Dead man.
I think we got everyone. Pretty sure we got everyone.
Coming through. No,
Wait, we still got survivors. Let's hunt them down. Keep screaming, Drake! Center building! Center building! Really? Medic!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You keep shooting this wall here, dude. Okay.
That wasn't me.
All right, let's keep on.
There's an enemy over there.
Then shoot him!
He's telling me to stop shooting. You just shot me.
All right, then stop it. Let's go. There's a guy in the center building that we need to take care of. Yeah. He's been shooting at us. No, the balloon guy's right over here. That's not a friendly. Let's go. Get him. I kind of figured, but he's shooting at us, so I don't really care. Hey, check breaching room, guys. Let's go. Step it up. You were shooting at us like the whole time. You know that, right?
Who is around the corner?
Us.
That was us. That's why we
All right, hey, let's go breaching room. Breaching room. Let's go. Breaching room.
I'm gonna take the floor up.
Clear. 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 That's it. Nice, clean sweep, boys. Woo!
I've met so many people.
Yep. See, you're gonna make a great super medic.
I got it. No, it's right.
Oh yeah.
That was so early. Go back. I know. I'm asking people if they want to feel who got it. And then back to you. If you like the video. Wilson, round 2.
I met him once and he got shot in the chest.
You should put tally marks on him every round he survives.
It was that corner you got in.
Holy crap, man. I am sweating.